Alright, what's up guys, it's Evan from Hatches by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a backflip on a mattress step by step for beginners. Alright, so first thing is, just starting off like a normal backflip, have your arms up. Since you're on a mattress, you can kind of bounce with it to get you more height. So if you feel comfortable in doing that, or you can just stand still. So, first off, have your arms up. When you come down, you want to bend your knees, not too much to where you're like going into a squat and it's going to be hard to come out of, and not too little where you're just like doing a no jump backflip. So bend your knees a decent amount, about here, and then you're going to bend your back too. So here, and just like you're jumping. So here, and then you're going to throw your arms up, and you don't want to throw your head back because you're going to have no height in your backflip and it's just going to look pretty bad. So here, up, keep your head neutral, and once you set, you're gonna grab your tuck. So you can either grab under or over, whatever feels comfortable, whatever you're used to or whatever. So here, grab your tuck, hold it until you see the ground. Once you see the ground, just open up. Okay, so I would suggest not doing it in a house with a low ceiling where there's a chance you can hit the ceiling. So bring out the mattress to like the grass or something and just try it. Don't be scared because it's just a mattress. You're not going to get hurt. So just try it, you know. So here, boom, up, set, head neutral, grab your tuck, spot the ground, and let out. A few progressions if you're scared, if you've never done it, like you can try doing like a sideways back handspring to get over the fear of actually doing the backflip. So like you can start doing that, and then as you get more comfortable with it, just go more and more vertical. So like kind of doing that, and then once you're really comfortable, basically like doing a back handspring kind of. So yeah, I'll just show you the backflip right now. Arms up, bend. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. That's how to do a backflip on a mattress step by step for beginners. Thanks for watching.
So I wanted to talk about addiction, whether you're trapped in an addiction or not, or whether you know somebody trapped in an addiction. I just know God is bigger and you can overcome this through God's help. And so thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you click one of the links in the description for my addiction channel. It'll just help you through, or help somebody you love through whatever they're going through.